Hello lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I've been in protective hairstyle for 1 month and I'm super excited because we have achieved our goal of less manipulation of hair. So I'm celebrating because I've managed to keep this hairstyle in for 1 month. So we are going to use some herbs which promote hair growth. We're going to use some moringa, neem, rosemary, aloe vera, some clove that promotes hair growth. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So moringa actually is loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost hair growth. It will actually promote growth, and neem has a lot of amazing benefits. It will fight dandruff, eliminate dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and it also helps if you have some thinning hair because it's loaded with many vitamins and minerals, and it has anti-inflammatory and microbial properties that will actually promote hair growth. And then for rosemary, it's very, very important. All these herbs are important. Rosemary promotes blood flow to the scalp. It promotes hair growth, and actually it was compared against minoxidil, which is actually medicine which is used to promote hair growth, and it was linked that rosemary can do the same. So all these herbs promote hair growth. So of course moringa and neem are in bigger quantities because I do have them at home and they are easily accessible. So I'm going to use some aloe. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals that promote hair growth, and it has antimicrobial and inflammatory properties that can boost, hair growth, and it will actually get rid of dandruff, itchy scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, and it will actually promote hair growth. And we're also going to use some clove. So all these products I've been using them for years, friends. So clove has many vitamins and minerals. The most actually compound found in clove, which is promotes blood flow to the scalp. It promotes hair growth. It also helps if you have androgenic alopecia or female or male baldness. And then we're going to use our oil. So this is actually 150 grams of our oil. So it has some grapeseed oil and some macadamia oil and some coconut oil. You can use any oil that you have, but this is just my preference. You can even use avocado oil, olive oil, quite a number of oils that you can use actually. Just use anything which you have access to, friends. You don't have to stick with the very oils that we have used. So we are going to infuse this oil so that it can make wonders for us. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get a beaker, and then we're going to start pouring in all our herbs bit by bit. Yes, so give this video a like, share this video, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you'll be notified. And to my 884 subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support, friends. I really appreciate you guys. Honestly, I don't take this for granted. It means a lot, friends. Yes, so if you are watching my videos and you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to the friends, and comment in the section below if you've tried out these herbs for hair growth. And I would love to hear from you what kind of herbs you use. So these are herbs that I've been using consistently. I always go back to these herbs, friends. So you can try them if you haven't. Yes, so we have added our oil, and then we are going to give it some stir so that the herbs are well combined, so that all the goodness can actually come together, friends. So I love, stimulating herbal hair growth oil because they really promote growth. When you add different kinds of herbs, you go an extra mile, unlike just using one oil without any herbs. So what we're going to do, we are going to do a hot water bath. So I'm pouring in some hot water, friends, and then we're going to get our beaker into the bowl, and then we're going to put it on fire. So you can actually use a direct heat, but I don't like that because we don't want some nutrients to be lost, or this oil to the herbs to lose their value. So that's the reason why I did a water bath. You can even use the sun, let it sit near the window and let it infuse for at least 4 weeks or 3 weeks, then your oil will be ready. So give it a stir, once it's on the fire, keep on checking on it and make sure that you put it on low setting. This is very, very important so that you don't burn the important minerals and vitamins in the herbs. So we've removed from the fire and we're giving it a stir. As you can see, it has infused very well and the color has really changed. So subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like, share this video, comment in the section below, and hit the notification bell. So at this point, we are going to straining. So you can use any gadget that you have. You can use a strainer, you can use a cheesecloth, whatever you have access to. So of course, these herbs actually were not in powder form, so a strainer will work very well. But if you have used some powders, like, you need to make sure that you strain very well so that you don't have any residues in your final oil, and make sure that you press against the strainer so that you can extract more oil. So as you can see, the oil is coming out when we press. So continue pressing, friends, and you get more oil. So it's time to package our oil. Look at that, friends, like it has infused well, and I love that color. Yes, so you can use this oil to seal in the moisture, for scalp issues, for pre-shampoo. You can add it to your deep conditioner. A lot of uses, friends. So I love oils and I usually incorporate them in my deep conditioners, hot oil treatments, and for sealing in the moisture, or even in a butter. But I haven't done any video on how to make a butter for hair. One day I'm going to do so. That is how it looks like. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. So that is how our oil looks like, friends. Have you seen, like, this is a powerful oil that you can actually make at home. Yes, but of course I do make products for sale to friends and families, So I'm going to use this oil to pre-shampoo. It's been actually 1 month, so I'm going to use a scissors just to cut the thread, because I'd use a needle to tie so that we can put our hair in a bun. And make sure that you're very careful so that you don't cut off your hair. So actually, this hairstyle, friends, has lasted for 1 month. So the first step on how to undo it, you can actually untangle it, just unrolling it like so, and then you are off to go. Then another method I'm going to share with you on how you can easily remove this hairstyle without any struggles, actually. Yeah. So we're going to pull and we are done. Yes, but of course, I didn't lose any hair, just a little, like so. Have you seen? That's not something to be worried about. So the next method is just to, gently pull. Like, of course, you did see I had used a scissors. No, now we are just removing the bobby pins, and then we are going to pull gently, like so. Pull gently, like so, and then we are off to go. Like it will take literally less than 10 minutes actually to undo this protective hairstyle. So if you're enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up, friends, and comment in the section below. Like, I'm one person who loves interacting very much, friends. So comment in the section below. I would love to hear from you. So now we are done, friends. So those white residues, actually, they are from a wax which we had used. Actually, I'm going to link the video in the description box below, but that's not something to be worried about. So, like, of course, I can't wait to check how our hair has grown after a month. So at this point, I don't manipulate my hair or comb it. I go directly into applying the oil, the hot oil treatment or pre-shampoo. This is a treatment actually which is done prior to washing your hair to prevent hydro fatigue, and also to protect your hair from damage, or if your hair is breaking, this will prevent breakage, and it will prevent stripping when washing your hair. So of course the oil is hot at this moment. So if the oil wasn't hot, I would have put it in some hot water. So that's the reason why I'm not putting it in a hot water. So I apply the oil to the hair strands, and then I apply it on the scalp, and then I massage my scalp. So this is the only time when I apply oil on my scalp. I don't normally apply oil in between washing. Yeah, so this is the only time when I apply the oil, when I am doing a pre-shampoo. So I always do pre-shampoo every time I wash my hair. So usually my routine is every 2 weeks I wash my hair, but it also depends with what I'm doing. So if I'm in a protective hairstyle, depending on the type of protective hairstyle that I do, like I wash my hair once per month. Yes, once per month. But sometimes, like in between washes, I wash my scalp and moisturize my scalp. So make sure that you're protecting your hair while in a protective hairstyle. If you want to see some growth, make sure that you are not neglecting your hair while in a protective hairstyle. So of course, we did go in with more oil, friends, but I wasn't like heavy-handed. You see at the end, I'm going to show you how much is left. Yeah, so once I'm done, I'll twist that section and then move on to another section. You can even use some clippers just to make some work easier, or you can actually braid as you go. So I decided to pour it in my palms and then apply it on the strands and to the scalp as well, and massage lightly. Massaging promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. Yes, so actually it comes in very handy. I love massaging my scalp. I massage my scalp when I'm doing a pre-shampoo, when I'm shampooing, and in between washes, depending on what in what state my hair is. Yes. So friends, how often do you pre-shampoo your hair, or how often do you do hot oil treatments? You can kindly comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you, friends. Yes, so friends, like I'm trying to grow out my hair and I'm seeing an improvement. Like if you belong on this channel, you will concur with me that our hair actually is growing. But of course, I had some long hair, but it started, breaking, and I had to cut it. So actually, our hair is 2 years, clocking 2 years now. So actually, there is no product like which can grow your hair overnight. That is a myth, friends. If someone tells you or post a product which says you can grow your hair overnight, it is not true, friend. It requires some patience, yes, and consistent with your routine. Come up with a routine, friend. So a routine is something that you basically plan on how you'll be taking care of your hair. It could be that how often will you be washing your hair, how often will you be deep conditioning your hair, how often will you be braiding your hair, how often will you be moisturizing your hair. So all those steps can actually help you to have a good routine. Yes. And make sure that you are not manipulating your hair, friends. If you want to see some growth, make sure that you are leaving your hair alone. Avoid touching your hair, friends. Like the more you touch, the more hair will be coming out. So of course, I'm going to share a video on how our hair has grown, after doing all the treatments. I'm going to like stretch my hair naturally. So I don't use any heat, when stretching my hair. Yes, actually I've done quite a number of videos on how you can naturally stretch your hair without any damage or using heat. Yes, but if you are a heat person, make sure that you are not overdoing it. Yes, probably you can do once per month, not every week, because it may cost you. So now at this point, I'm going to massage my scalp. Of course, I'm not going to go in with more oil because I already have some oils, friends. So continue massaging. Like it promotes blood flow to the scalp, and I love massaging very much, friends. Like it is so calming, yes, and cool actually. So make sure that you massage your edges as well. So I'll do this. I usually do this at least, for 10 minutes. Yes. So once we are done, we are going to put in a plastic cap. So the most important thing after applying this treatment is to make sure that it stays in your hair for at least for some hours for it to penetrate into your hair strand. So I usually leave my pre-shampoo in for overnight. Actually overnight. If you don't have that time, actually you can leave it in for 4 or 6 hours and then you proceed with your routine. But mostly I leave it overnight. So probably you'd want to go somewhere, you can just put on a duck. Make sure that you wrap your duck nicely, and you can go anywhere, friends, and nobody can know that you are having a plastic underneath, or probably you are doing a pre-shampoo. No one can notice. Actually, it's all about you. It's only you who is going to know, or if you share with your friends. So you can go shopping, you can go for church, you can go anywhere, after putting on this dope. But sometimes if I add the onion, I don't like go anywhere because onion stinks, friends. You don't want to be embarrassed when you go in public. Yes, so because I didn't add any onion, I can go anywhere, you know, chill and come back without any hassle actually. So the look actually looks beautiful, right? Have you seen, like, it's very, very perfect. You can go anywhere, friends. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out a pre-shampoo, or if you had gone out, you know, after pre-shampooing. Comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Yes, so now thank you so much for watching. So this is how much oil is left. Like, I literally used a lot, friends. Have you seen? We were so